Hey folks, Josh here, another exciting adventure on Sailing Vessel Wayfinder, except that I'm not. I'm on my friend Earl's Lagoon 42. I'm at the top of the mast. Nice view out here. Right. And I'm replacing the light. This is installation number 2. So here's the terminal block and the base of the old light that we're going to slop the other one onto. I hope you can see it because I can't. There you have it. Alright. And you know, I have to stand up in the little HVA, but I'm tied in. I've got a harness on and I'm sitting in the bosun's chair, so everything's pretty safe up here. I also have a secondary line here in case anything breaks. Okay, so there you have it. Bye.